I've got some holes in my rubber boots, duck boots, moccasins, and these are getting to be pretty old, but for the most part have held up well. And a big hole here. I'm going to patch these up using some shoe goo, shoe repair. It says permanent, fast repair, and it's waterproof. So, I've actually got an old tube. I want to use this up. This stuff's getting really thick and kind of drying out, so I don't know how well this old stuff's gonna work. I will give it a shot. I wear these almost every day. Go out in the morning, the grass is wet or it's rained, and it seems like always in wet conditions. I'm just gonna fill this in here too. I've read and followed all the directions on the container. That one looks good. I'll let that dry. This one, open, see if I can get some glue in here. Oh, got a piece of grass in there. It won't matter. When the glue is new, it runs a lot better and it's just easier to work with, but stuff is fairly expensive, so I'm going to use up this old stuff if I can. But I'll put a link in the description below of all the tools and products that I use. You can check that out. Anything that you need. This is kind of loose up here. I like to do this outside because this stuff is stinky. Yeah, I'll let that dry over. Let's see what's dry time. I would allow repair to cure for 24 hours. Depending on materials and temperature, maximum strength may not be reached until 48 to 72 hours. So I'll let it actually dry for a few days. Put this cap back on and we'll see how that turns out. I have let that glue dry for 2 days. Tested it out in wet grass. See how that ends up working here. And socks are dry. It worked. Be sure to check out my other videos.